Hello my friends, welcome to my another tutorial videos about WordPress. In this tutorial I'm going to introduce you a very useful and amazing plugin for making your website more secure. As you know, every WordPress user know how to access to WordPress admin area by writing wp-admin in the end of its URL. But this plugin helps you hide your login page and change it to everything that you want. Just follow these simple steps and make your website more secure. Okay guys, let's consider this useful plugin. First of all, after going to your website URL for accessing your admin area, you will add this address /wp-admin. okay, and you will enter your username and password. But here this plugin allows us to change this URL address and delete wp-login or wp-admin. How can we do it? First of all, we log into to our admin area here, and after logging to our admin area, we go to plugins and here click on add new button. Here we search WPS Login Hide. Okay, the first result that is appeared is what we want. As you can see, this plugin has a good rate, and just we install it. After installing, we activate this plugin. Yes, we activate this plugin. Okay, but as you can see in the left side of our admin area, no new menu will appear. For changing the URL, we go to settings and go to WPS Hide Login. Okay, here we can change our login URL. For example, here I want to change it to, for example, entrance. Okay, redirection URL. When someone tries to access the wp-login.php and the WP admin directory while not logging. Okay, we save the changes. First of all, let's log out. Here we write our website URL. Okay, for going to admin area, as you can see, wp-admin doesn't work, and we will have a message that nothing here, and the 404 page will open for us. Now we write here entrance. As you can see, we are redirected to WP admin area and we can log into your admin page. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember to subscribe to my channel and leave your beautiful comments for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.